Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel How To, and in this video I'm going to discuss about how to use snipping tool in Windows 10. So let's begin with. There are two ways you can access snipping tool. One way is just directly searching through the search bar, type snip, and you get here the snipping tool and you can directly open it. So there are following options for snipping: freeform, rectangular, window, and full screen snip. So what each option does, let's have a look. So here it is by default selected rectangular snip, so let's try that. So for the rectangular snip, just click on the new, and you can draw a rectangle anywhere on your screen, and that particular area is snipped. So you can see that this selected part is snipped, and now we are going to try another option, that is freeform. And as the name suggests, you can draw any shape and that will be snipped just like this. Another option is window snip. So for the window snip we need to have a window open, and now we clicked on the taskbar and this taskbar is recorded. So another last option is full screen snip. So try this and you can see that whole screen is snipped. Now let's have a look how the shortcut works. So what the shortcut was, it was this: window lower key plus shift plus S. When you press all these three keys all together, let's see what happens when we do that. So window shift and S, you can see on the top this menu appears, and these four options are there: rectangular, freeform, window, and full screen. So just for a demo, we know that both what each option does. Now we'll just have a look. So click on the full screen snip. Screen is snipped and we got a notification that is snip saved to clipboard. So, and other options, let's try one more, free from snip. So we did this and here we got the notification. So guys, this was snipping tool and how to use it and what are the options and what each option does. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the notification of my upcoming tech related videos. Keep watching, keep sharing. Thank you.